We guide you through how to set up Ledger Nano X quickly and securely. So the first thing you need to do is to charge your Ledger Nano X using the included USB cable, then power it on by holding the button next to the USB-C port. Use the two buttons to navigate the setup menu and select Setup as New Device. Create a PIN code with 4 to 8 digits, then confirm it. Next, your Ledger Nano X will display a 24-word recovery phrase, and carefully write each word down in the exact order on the recovery sheet provided. Next, never store it digitally or share it with anyone, because it's the only way to recover your crypto if the device is lost or damaged. After confirming the recovery phrase on the device, download and install Ledger Live on your computer or smartphone from the official Ledger website. Open Ledger Live, choose Set up a new Nano X, and follow the on-screen instruction to verify your device and install the apps for cryptocurrencies you want to manage, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. And finally, add your crypto accounts in Ledger Live, and you're ready to receive, send, and securely manage your digital asset.